What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob, and I'm back with another video. This video is on the Tahoe. I changed all the lights for the whole entire truck with the exception of the headlights and the fog lights. I changed the dome lights inside, the door lights, and I also changed the tail lights and the license plate lights. I went with all LEDs for the interior and the exterior of the Tahoe. I feel like it gives it a more updated look. It looks nicer than those yellow halogen bulbs, and it's just brighter and just shines on the truck a little bit better. I don't necessarily want to call the Tahoe a build just yet because I'm not really sure what my direction is with the truck. You know, I called the performance shop to see how much it would cost to basically build the motor and transmission and stuff like that. But I don't know if that's the direction I want to go in, because I just drove the 2019 Denali XL this weekend, all weekend up in the mountains, and that thing was lovely. I don't think I would ever want to spend 70-80 grand on a truck though, because I could get like a Corvette or a Hellcat, or, you know what I'm saying, some luxurious stuff for around the same price, you know what I mean? So I don't necessarily know if I ever want to do that, but I do want to update my truck, you know what I'm saying, make it more comfortable, reliable, you know what I'm saying, something that I will be happy daily driving. Not that I'm not happy now, but as you can see, you know what I'm saying, from the previous videos that I have, I got it off the auction. It does have issues. It's been a good truck, don't get me wrong, it's been a good truck, but you know, obviously with the leaking oil, the loose steering and stuff like that. And I'll put up some videos of me basically changing the ball joints, changing the axle, things like that. So there is updating. Obviously it's a 03 Tahoe, you know what I'm saying, that I got off the auction block for 2100 or whatever I got it for. I don't know, like I said, if it's gonna be a build or not, because I have all these other projects that I have that I want to make really nice and on this channel, so you guys can see that, so stay tuned. But like I said, I decided to update all the lights, and I'm gonna continue to update the front end lights and everything like that, and just try to make it look a little bit nicer, man. So I'll show you guys what it looks like, and I'll get back with y'all after this video's done. What's happening, grind schoolers? Excuse the mess back here, gotta clean it up. But today we're just going to change these old tail lights out, man. I've seen enough up until this point, so we're going to switch them out for these LED, just regular red LEDs. It'll be a little bit brighter, a little bit nicer. I want it to go with a clean look, nothing like smoke, nothing that's like ridiculous or anything like that. But yeah, man, so we're gonna go ahead and swap those out, get those taken care of. I still got to take care of the light strip. I guess I ordered another towing cable that was wrong or incorrect, so I guess either I got to return this or go get the other one and just disregard it. I don't know if it's worth the 10 bucks to get my money back and go through the hassle. But I also got the LEDs for, like, I guess the fog lamps or whatever. License plate lights I already changed out, and it's light outside right now, but I also changed out the LEDs inside the truck too as well. So I'm trying to update the look of the truck, you know what I'm saying, without doing too much. But yeah, man, so we're gonna get to it, and I'll show y'all what it looked like after we're done. You can kind of see how different it is already. That's the LED one, this the old one, man. Night and day difference, baby. Yeah, I'm about to throw this other one in. This is really simple, man. All it is just these two screws right here. Tail light pops out, and then these little connectors go inside of the old bulb connectors in here, and then your reverse light goes up in there. And like I said, I'm changing these out for the white LEDs so it doesn't look all gross and disgusting. But yeah, man, did a little test run. Looks beautiful. So we're gonna knock the other one out real quick, and then I'll show you what both of them look like. So we got both of them on. It looked pretty clean to me, you know what I mean. The LEDs are gonna look really good. Reverse camera gonna look good, so I think it gives it a nice little updated look. I think these are like $140 or $150. So yeah, man, the Copart Tahoe is coming along nicely. Yeah, it look good from the side too a little bit. Yeah, man. we're gonna keep moving. I got to do the headlights next, and all the lights all around the truck should be updated. It's hard to see really on camera what it looks like from the back, but as you can see, I got both lights on there. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Hopefully it starts up. You can kind of see in the inside too, it got the lights. So LED tail lights. This part right here is the turning signal. As you can see, I did the LED license plate lights and stuff. And then also in here you can see that I did the LEDs on the inside. No copyright, no copyright. Let me close this up. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off. But I also did them in the door and then up front up there. Yeah, man, I think it gave it a nice clean look, you know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think, man. I like it a lot. Updates the look a little bit. Like I said, I really love these LED lights, man. They look really good, man, and it gives it an updated look instead of that old worn out stock stuff. So like I said, man, let me know what y'all think, man. So like I said, y'all, there's a video of the Tahoe with the updated lights. I made the video the other day with me changing the lights or whatever, and then obviously not the interior lights because I just did that real quick. It was dark out. I wanted to get it done, so I didn't really do anything or a video showing that process. But as you can see, I changed the tail lights out, and I had to wait till it got dark for me to throw up a video of the light so that you could really see it, see what it looks like in the dark, see how it, you know, it shines. Obviously it may be a little bit hard to see, but at the end of the day, you know what I mean, I had to wait till it got dark so you could see the lights. So that's the reason why this video is kind of cut up. It ain't kind of, you know, the usual style, whatever. But like I said, man, I wanted to update the truck, so I hope y'all like it, man. Stay tuned for more videos on the Tahoe. I don't know if I'm gonna call it a build yet, like I said, but just stay tuned, man, and see where that one goes. And then also check out the other videos on, you know, the Impala, Camaro, El Camino. I might have something else special coming. I don't know how long it's gonna take or when it's gonna come, but there's something else we have in mind, and that definitely will be a build. Wait a minute, where you going? Before you leave, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, and hit the notification bell so you get a notification every single time we drop a new video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.